friends.
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the family-friendly neighborhood of Panorama Hills, located in the northwest part of Calgary, Alberta. Developed in the early 2000s, Panorama Hills has become a popular community thanks to its stunning views of the Rocky Mountains and rolling foothills. The neighborhood is situated on the northwest edge of Calgary, offering easy access to both urban conveniences and outdoor activities like hiking and biking. Panorama Hills is a welcoming and dynamic neighborhood that offers the perfect blend of natural beauty and urban convenience. Whether you're a nature lover, a family looking for a great place to raise children, or someone seeking a vibrant community, Panorama Hills provides a warm and inviting environment to call home. Calgary itself is a large city in the province of Alberta, sitting at the point where the prairies meet the foothills of the Rocky Mountains. It became a city in 1894 and grew quickly because of the railway, ranching, and the oil industry. Today, Calgary is one of Canada's major cities, known for its energy sector, clean streets, and friendly people. The city is also famous for the Calgary Stampede, a huge rodeo and festival held every summer. With a mix of modern downtown life and access to beautiful natural areas, Calgary offers the best of both worlds. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Calgary, Alberta.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!